I would like to present to you the key features of the GPNE-S144 M6H solar module series developed by Green Power New Energy. Integration of sophisticated technologies allowed us to offer the top-notch product to customers. 144 monocrystalline solar cells provide up to 460 watts output with an excellent conversion efficiency of up to 21.1%. Advanced 166mm half-cell technology, together with innovative multi-busbar design, makes these suitable for a vast range of solar applications, from small rooftop installations to large solar parks, allowing for a lower balance of system costs, minimisation of the installation area, and higher yield per square metre. Highly powerful and efficient modules let you save installation space and reduce the balance of system costs. Since power output per module is bigger, lesser area and fewer components are required to produce the same power. The 9-busbar cell design brings more advantages, allowing for smaller electric current, lower cell-to-module losses, and further minimisation of hotspots risk. Robust design with IP68 rated junction box, well protected from dust and water ingress, and 3.2mm tempered glass ensures reliable protection of the module's components from environments. The maximum system voltage of these is up to 1500 volts, which offers another possibility for balance of system cost reduction. The standard packing configuration for these is 275 pieces in a 20-foot general purpose container and 726 modules in a 40-foot high cube container. Our customer support team will be happy to offer you full technical and logistical support. We are at your disposal as a skilled partner for all issues, including those related to shipment tracking, additional bookings, and any changes to the shipment services.